Today I'm going to talk about elasticity of demand. Okay, but what does elasticity of demand means? It refers to how sensitive the demand for a product is when its price changes. If many similar products are available, the demand tends to be more elasticity because people can easily switch to another option. Price elasticity of demand shows how much people want to buy and how it changes when the price goes up or down. If demand changes a lot without small price change, it's considered elastic. If demand hardly changes when the price changes, it's called inelastic. Suppose I have an example. Suppose my favorite ice cream, and this ice cream is raspberry, and I go and buy my ice cream cone to this nice shop, ice cream shop. And I have a surprise. So I have a 10% increase in the price. So this causes the amount of ice cream I buy to fall by 20%. Okay, and I have this example here. This is my raspberry ice cream cone. And the formula here is the price elastic of demand equals percent change in quantity demanded over percentage change in price. Okay, so what is the percentage change in quantity demanded? So it's 20% over 10% equals 2. So 2 is the absolute value when interpreting elasticity. So if it's greater than 1, its elasticity demand is in elasticity demanded and is responsive. When it's equal to 1, it's called unit elastic. So elastic demand changes equally. If it's less than 1, it's called inelastic demand changes slightly. And that is my example. Okay, so this means that I'm responsive strongly to this price increase as a customer. So I decided to either buy a smaller ice cream cone or a different flavor. Maybe they have just vanilla flavor. But I want my raspberry ice cream cone. So either I buy it or I don't buy it. Or go to another ice cream shop or simply go to the store and look for a packet of raspberry ice cream. And that's why it's called elasticity demand. That being said, I have more options. And this shows that when products have other alternatives and are not considered necessities, even a small price change can cause a big drop in demand. On the other hand, inelastic demands mean that the quantity demanded of a good or service does not change much when the price changes. For example, necessities tend to have inelastic demands, even if the price goes up or down, and we still buy about the same amount or product like electricity, medicine, or just doctor visits. And that is my video for today. Thank you for watching.